Good afternoon to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal Hotel Management Department. Today I am going to discuss about the types of service. Basically, type of service in which first one is table service and specialized service. And if I am talking about the under table service, American service, English service, Russian service, French service and Garidon service. And specialized service buffet like self-service, banquet and food court and cafeteria, and trolley service, IRD room service, counter service, fast food and kiosk, vending machine, takeaway and home delivery. American service, basically pre-plated service. The food is directly served from the kitchen and the food is served from right hand side of the guest, moving clockwise. Fast turnaround time. And formal service but involves lesser guest to serve personal interaction and employed in a fine dining restaurant and state formal banquet. English service, platter to plate service or a silver service, highly formal and personalized and elaborate service, require high level service skill, employed in fine dining restaurant and state formal banquet. And Russian service, a family service, host service, food ordered by host guest and food laid on counter of table for the family host to help themselves, and it required service personnel to assist in service employed in family room and PDR and coffee shop. French service, butler service, another name of French service, extremely personalized and highly elaborate service, requires very high service skill and high operational cost and manpower utilization, employed in a very formal top of the line restaurant and in a guest room. Garidon service, trolley service, basically requires show of skill while preparing food. Extremely personalized service, semi-cooked food is kept on a Garidon trolley and serving and garnishing and plating is done in front of the guest. High operational cost and requires more time. Employee in a top of line restaurant also being used as a USP. And specialized service, factor to be considered while offering a specialized service. Type of establishment, whether it is 5-star, 4-star or 2-star. Type of customer, type of menu, availability of food and beverage, budget of an establishment and location of the establishment, time availability for meals, type of meals and skill of service staff. So